back to a nice 600 crank horsepower. About that time. Welcome back to another video, guys. Hope you guys are all doing well. I'm doing great. Can't complain. Another day, another blessing. As you can see, we are in one of my personal favorites. No rain, so we don't have to worry about the windshield wipers. We got an exciting one today. Finally going to be retuning the S15 since we did the engine swap. It's been about a week since we swapped it, and everything on the car is running absolutely fabulous. My reverse being kind of weird, don't know why. It's hella random. Everything is on right and aligned right and everything, so I don't know what's going on there. Guess I'm just gonna have to deal with it and hope to figure it out later. Besides that, the car has been running phenomenal, and we ready for a tune, man. So we're gonna be keeping it at the same boost I was before, about 9-10 pounds. Last time I was making 530, so as long as everything's a-okay with the motor, we should be making around the same. The file's already there, so probably just make a few adjustments and probably like 2-3 pulls and we'll be done. I was driving it though, and I noticed the car wasn't like fluttering anymore, and I'm like, all right, well, most likely it got a boost leak. So I was checking everything out right now, and the coupler on the turbo to the intercooler piping is it's like a little short, so that clamp likes to pop off. Hopefully I can at least get that coupler on the right for today without having to take the whole bumper off and shit, and be able to get the retune done. I'm excited. I haven't did no pulls in this car in like, it's been like 7 months, bro. It's been a while. Besides that, there's really nothing else going on today. I am gonna be picking the G35 winner tonight, so that's pretty exciting. Excited to see where that's gonna end up. As far as the S15, we are on the way to the dyno, and hopefully we go back home with over 500 wheel if everything goes well, and we gonna be back like the S15 never left. Satisfying. Full tank. All right, man, we have my old home. You guys know I used to stay here, but yeah, let's get over to the shop, and hopefully this clamp and coupler acts right, because that's gonna suck if it ruins the tune. If I gotta pull this bumper off, it should coming off. We gonna get tuned today, and we made it. Yes. All right, let's see if I can fix this boost leak. Chichiwa! All right, man, we here. So I'm trying to cool this down because it's hot as a bitch, but it's that coupler right there. You guys can't see it, a little dark, but yeah, it's a little too short. Hopefully we can get that on there enough, at least to tune, and then I could get another one later, not a big deal, but as long as it works for like 5 pulls, that's all we need.
One eternity later.
It worked before. I had no issues for like 2 years, but now that we took shit apart, it just has to be perfectly on there. So it's at an angle right now. It should hold. We're not running a lot of boost, so I don't think it'll pop off, but as long as we get through the dyno, then I could figure it out later. So, and yeah, I had to take the bumper off. I'm about to load it up and put the dyno on, and we gonna get to it. Alright guys, second pull. Going! Well, it's safe to say the motor's probably healthy, so we're not underpowered. Just like that, we back to where it was. Probably a safe spot to leave it. Once you get over 550, 600, kind of risking the biscuit. guys, so even though the tune was good, he was like, honestly, it needed a lot more fuel than it should have, so I just went ahead and swapped the fuel pump real quick, and I turned into Michael Jackson. Look at my hand, bro, from the 85. Got that. So that way I don't have to worry about my fuel pump going out and getting stranded or changing it later and coming back for a retune. Just change it right now, and we're gonna see now. So even though he had to add more fuel, we still made, you know, what it should have made, but shouldn't have to add so much fuel now. So. My coupler's holding up. If it flutters, it's holding. Oh yeah, we're right back at 5:30. He put his laptop away. He's done.
Scam is complete.
Scam is complete.
Easy, $1 million.
All right.
So this is what happened when we changed the pump. Basically, like the line strained out and everything, and with the pump messed up, like the other line was like down here.
So yeah, we are right back at 530 wheel. Gonna leave it there. Obviously, if we wanted to push it, we could, you know, go over 550 wheel, but I just don't really see a point. This car is fun enough, even with like 450. So plenty of fun, man, and hopefully this is good as last. I'm probably gonna chill on the flame map. I don't really want to do too many flames, and I will chill on the racing in 5th gear because the stock rods ain't really made for that. So we should be good for quite a while now. Obviously, I'm still gonna put the built motor in here. I might want to keep the slam like semi-stretch tire in the back, and I want to keep that look, so I'm not in a rush to like turn this into a race car. So yeah, man, we back with some power. Oh my god, put the stupid ass bumper back. All right, guys, the S15 is back in action. Back to a nice 600 crank horsepower. Bumper's back on. This shit is still, I don't know what's going on. There's something is hitting on this side. I think it's the intercooler piping. I need to dent that a little bit, but woo, she look good, man. We got Corey here, Saulo, Yesy with the plaid. Man, do I miss that. Nothing like blowing a little tire in 3rd. Bitch feels healthy. Shout out Saulo. We getting the custom guac. Whipping it up. Look at the flick of the wrist. Ah, man. Good eats, good eats. That Coke sucked, though. I'm about to take it back. I need a refund.
What do you need?
Man.
Right here. Oh. Hey, that one?
Why?
You put a little bit of...
Well, I bought. That food was fire. Little R34. Man, the S15's back, guys. I'm so happy. Love this damn car. Let's get a little 3rd to 4th real quick. Just for y'all. S15, a rocket, dog. Stock block. This car is so much fun. So yeah, man, we are almost home. I'm gonna be picking the winner to the G35 in a few hours, so I gotta get back and do a few things on the computer. And yeah, man, today was a success. Ended up making the coupler work and ended up randomly swapping my fuel pump. Didn't expect to do that, but it's not too hard. So swap that out. At least I got peace of mind. I got a new fuel pump, even though I changed it like 2 years ago, but at least I got peace of mind now. I got a new pump. It's crazy, man. We back with the same power and it running perfect. So once again, man, huge shout out to Saul getting this thing right again. I think I got a few meets I'm gonna be going to tomorrow. If not a few, just one. So we will just hop back in this video tomorrow. Stay tuned and we'll catch you tomorrow, man. Top of the top, what's happening, guys? Welcome back. We are hopping back into this video from yesterday. That one's not mine anymore, so I actually picked the winner last night. G35 is going to Arizona. Lucky guy, man, lucky guy. If I'm not mistaken, I think he owns a 03-04 G35 sedan. So my boy got a nice, clean ass HR G35 coupe to park next to his G35 sedan. My boy went from D to HR for 70 bucks. Crazy. He bought a t-shirt and a sticker. Boy came up, man, but congrats to him. And this one's next, guys. This one's gonna go crazy. I think we're gonna take the S15 today. We have like a JDM style meet, I believe, if I'm not mistaken. So it's only right to bring out the S15. Hold on. My oil pressure gauge is bugging. That ain't right. That's interesting. Alright, that was a little concerning. I think maybe the oil pressure sensor is going bad. Because at cold start, it should have at least been like 80, 100 around there. But it started off super slow, so I think it's probably just going bad. Because now it's reading normal. I'm gonna turn it off. If it goes back up to like 60 right now, then I think we're alright. I was like, yo, that's not good. Okay. Alright, yeah, I think the sensor is just maybe going bad. Don't be scaring me like that, man.
Kilometers later.
Alright guys, we made it. This shit low-key cracking. I didn't go to Tokyo, but I went today. What is it? Daikoku? I literally bought Tokyo to Cali. A little R on BBS's? I ain't gonna lie, this is tough. They are. They're like, the next one's like 25, 30. Okay. What's up, I look-y want one of these, bro. What's up, G? Hey, I see you with the Meisters. Okay, little hood exit. You guys missed the S2K? I don't, that shit was hella small. Got some cool shit here, man. It's like a mixture of just a little bit of everything. Gotta show love to the Evo, even though I hate Evos. Someone tried to trade me a fully built one for the 370, but I was like, nah, this is clean. R33 on the TEs. Gotta love the purple. I see you, champ. If I had $1 for every time someone asked me to build a Honda, I could have built a Honda. Damn, I really feel like I'm in Tokyo. Like a ghetto Tokyo. We in Gokyo. Alright. Okay. Bro, rotaries always make me laugh because they're so small. Like, that shit is funny. This B-Lock is actually pretty sick. I didn't know Boost Logic made fucking wheels. I ain't gonna lie, guys, I had some mini wheats last night. Oh shit. They about to come out soon. That paint hitting though. It sounds so sick. That shit's hard, bro. I like the wheel setup too. That just sounds so sick. Damn. Later, dog. Sheesh. Thanks, appreciate it, bro. I don't even know what hat I got on. Oh, it's my hat. What the fuck? Later, dog. My boy got the fuck the police fenders. That's crazy. It's just stupid loud. Dun dun. Hell yeah. Yeah, that's loud. That's hella loud. My ears. Little Kevlar carbon. That was too accurate. Clean little Evo 8. And the IROX. Cool little cars here, man. There's a little bit of everything. You know, we all car community. Everybody could pull up. Everybody's welcome. Mean little angle kit. That's pretty sick. I feel like you hardly see these. This plate. That's Fu. Where is this foo going? I'm dead. Alright guys, we are about to head home. Woo, that's the tizzle, buzzing. You know you gotta bump to the white music every once in a while. Well guys, that is gonna be the end of this video. We got some more stuff going on later on, but I'm just gonna end the video here, start a whole new one later. Most likely I'm gonna be taking the S15 out again. Like always, appreciate you guys for tuning in. Subscribe to the channel, definitely drop a thumbs up, support your boy.